Welcome to our video articles. Today's articles, the introduction to meditation. Let's get started. Meditation activities and their daily practice is not a new thing, as it also belongs to our ancestors. People of old times were very well aware of meditation art and its advantages. Nowadays, individuals like to include meditation as an indispensable part of their lives to bring an immense distinction in their lifestyle and attitude. The process of meditation includes numerous postures and steps. Most commonly used of these postures are as under. 1. Cross-legged posture. 2. Seated posture. 3. Kneeling posture. 4. Corpse posture. 5. Hand gesture. At present, the most recent technological advancements are considered as the best way of introducing techniques of meditation to people across the globe. Generally, meditation CD is considered as the best way in this regard. Meditation plays a vital role in the lives of a lot of people with an aim of cultivating pleasure and internal peace. These are two most important parts of a person's internal nature. But the impending barriers in human nervous systems results in deprivation of getting such things. Therefore, it is required to perform any of the meditation activities on daily basis. It will help in the removal of these hindrances in your nervous system. Yoga practices also enhance your capabilities to cope with stressful situations of your life. Quietness of your internal nature can only be attained with the aid of proper enlightenment and nourishment. The meditation CD is a good source, which can offers proper guidance to perform different meditation activities. Orientation is the most important and vital aspect of all kinds of meditations. In fact, if you understand the philosophy behind the meditation, then you can get maximum benefits out of it. Meditation is basically a simple process of conscious relaxation. It is a combination of processes and postures, which involves human brain to achieve state of pleasure and tranquility. Concentration is the backbone of all meditation techniques. Free your mind of all thoughts and try to get rid of all sorts of distractions to fall in the deep meditation state. Numerous health specialists revealed that patients of stress and anxiety do not need drugs for curing purposes. They can easily overcome such problems by bringing into play any of the best suitable meditation technique. The meditation has been proven as successful cure from years to reduce depression and anxiety. It is also the best solution to prevent you from panic attacks. Meditation is nothing but an enjoyment of flow of positive energy in your body. So you can do meditation by just feeling relaxed by lying on the floor. All you need is that your back should be in comfortable mode. Conventional styles of meditation like prayers are the most excellent ways to bring your brain in an ideally relaxed state. We hope you enjoyed today's video article on meditation. Stay tuned for more videos like this one. Remember to subscribe and likes are always appreciated.